How to change gender info in your Gmail account. Hi guys, in this video I will show you a step-by-step guide how you can change gender info in your in your Gmail account very easily. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Gmail app. After that, you have to click on your profile icon and then click on manage your Google account. After that, you have to click on personal info and just scroll down, and here you can see gender option. If I want to make this male to female, I will just click on gender, and from here you can select any option, female, male, or not say. For example, I want to make this female, I will just click on female, and after that I will just back, and here you can see gender info has been changed successfully. So guys, in this way you can change gender info in your Gmail account very easily. If this video guide is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.